So we meditate on Radha and Krishna in our hearts. That Radha's feet there's 8 marks on Radharani's right lotus foot and 11 on her left, and this is here and that's there, and she has these type of ankle bells, and this beautiful reddish glow of her bottom of her feet rises up to the top of her feet and beautifully meets the golden aura of the top of her feet. And we go like this, slowly, slowly, meditating from the smile to the feet, or from the feet to the smile. Generally, Puranas, they instruct the devotees to meditate from Krishna's loving lotus feet to his beautiful, sweet lotus smile. The Vishwanath Chakravarti is in Madhurya. He's a Madhurya Mahi Bhakta. He's in Madhura Rati. So the most important part of the body in Madhurya Rati is the face and the lips. Please, Adara Amrita Sincha Dedo. Please, Krishna, shower us with the nectar of your lips. Adaramritam. Sinchanga Daramritam. So he says in his book, Rupa Chintamani, first the Bhakta, the Gaudiya Vaishnava, who is following my teachings, Mahajano Yena Katal Sapanta, who's following me, like all of us are, first meditate. He starts off very beautiful. He says, deeply meditate and concentrate. Deeply meditate and concentrate now and forever on the beautiful, beautiful, sweet, charming smile of Krishna.